In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you fix YouTube TV not opening on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. If not, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data, or you can give a fresh restart to your router. Sometimes a weak connection is the main reason the app fails to open. Next thing you want to do is check for app update. Navigate to App Store, search for the app YouTube TV. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check for iOS update. Launch settings, go to general. Click on Software Update. If any updates are available, download and install it, as system updates often fix compatibility issues with apps like YouTube TV. Next, check the storage space. For that, head back, click on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the YouTube TV app, select Remove App, click on Delete App and confirm it. Now navigate to App Store, search for the app YouTube TV and install it. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.